This is the UT crane. This is the UT crane. This is the I will showing to part of UT crane. This is the safety guard. Okay, this is the guard. This is the guard of UT crane. When wheel will be damaged, this is wheel. Wheel when will be damaged, this will be function. This will be safety guard of UT crane. Okay, this is the safety guard of UT crane. Safety guard have a both side. Both side have a two safety guard have a total 2 and 4. 2 that side and 2 other side. Have a total 4 safety guard on UT crane. Okay, this is the safety guard of UT crane. This is the same safety guard of another side. Okay, and that side will be fix the motor. Okay, that side will be fix the motor. Okay, do you remove that clamp? Okay, motor, 2 motor. Both sides have 1 motor and 2 motor. 2 motor will be fixed. Okay. This is the limit switch. This is the limit switch of UT crane, and this is the of 2 motor. Have a 2 motor. 1 motor, another side have another motor, and this is the host. The main host will be. This is the UT crane motor. Okay, and this is the have a gearbox and other parts. We have fixed 2 chuck nut. This chuck nut will be fixed. This bolt will be tight and it will be fixed. This will be fixed. Okay. Total 2 motor. Have another motor and they have a 2 motor. Now we are fixing the U channel. Okay. Fixing the U channel. Okay. U channel. Now we are fixing the U channel. This is the other part, and this is the both is same motor will be fixed, and this motor will be go, cable will be go, and this area will be fixed to or on JB. This is the drawing of JB. This is the drawing of JB. This is drawing with radio remote. And this is the part of our drawing. This part will be fixed to our radio assembly. Radio remote will be fixed this side, and that side will be fixed to our JB. That side will be fixed to our JB. Okay, 2 bolt. That will be fixed to our JB. This is the tightness of the UT crane. Testing of tightness. This is the process of tightness. This is the city of UT crane. Okay, city. This box, if you open, there have a adjustable knob. You can to adjust to all limit switch from this box. Please open this box and you will adjust. There have a 4 knob. Okay. This is the motor of another motor, and that side will another motor. 2 motor have a one motor have that side, and another motor have a other side. Total 2 motor have a city. So total have a 2 motor, and that side have a 1 motor, and total 2 motor, and city have a total 2 motor one side, and the other side a total 2 motor, and that is fixed to this bolt. Okay, fixed. This is the wheel. This is the wheel. Okay, this is the wheel. Okay. This is the main JB of UT crane. Main JB. Okay. This is the main JB of UT crane. Limit switch. This is the limit switch of UT crane. Limit switch. Limit switch of UT crane. Limit switch. Many type of cable. Motor cable. All are motor cable. This is the sliding hanger. This is the sliding hanger, and this is the total cable. Will be connect to our UT crane. We will connect to UT crane. This is the remote, and cable will be fixed to your UT crane. This is the bus bar of DSL. This bus bar will be fixing of DSL. This is the bus bar. Okay, and inside will be fixed to this side, and PVC tape and jointer. Every casing will be joined. This is the jointer.